What are the common signs of obstructive sleep apnea? We all know how important a good night's sleep is for our well-being. But did you know that there's a sleep problem called obstructive sleep apnea that can really mess up your sleep and health? This video is about the usual signs of this condition so you can understand it better. Symptom 1. Snoring that's hard to ignore. One of the big signs of OSA is loud, non-stop snoring. It's not your regular snoring, it's often super noisy and happens a lot during the night. If someone you know or you yourself snore like a freight train, it might be a clue. Symptom 2. Breathing stops and starts. Another thing to look out for is when your breathing suddenly stops and starts again while you're asleep. These stops can last for a few seconds or even a minute. If you've noticed this happening to someone, it could be OSA. Symptom 3. Waking up gasping or choking. Sometimes, people with OSA wake up with a feeling like they can't breathe or are choking. It's pretty scary, and they might not remember it later. Symptom 4. Feeling worn out during the day. People with OSA often feel super tired during the day, even if they spent a long time in bed. This is because their sleep keeps getting interrupted by breathing problems, so they don't get enough good sleep. Symptom 5. Struggling to stay focused. OSA can mess with your ability to concentrate and stay alert during the day. So, if you're having trouble paying attention at work or school, it might be because of this sleep issue. Symptom 6. Morning headaches. Waking up with a headache is another sign of OSA. It happens because your body doesn't get enough oxygen while you're asleep. Symptom 7. Mood swings and being easily irritated. Not getting good sleep can make people grumpy and moody. So, if you or someone you know is cranky a lot, it might be because of OSA. Conclusion: remember, if you or someone you care about shows these signs, it's important to get help from a doctor. Obstructive sleep apnea can be treated, and getting the right help can make a big difference in your sleep and overall health. So, if you suspect OSA might be affecting you, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional. A good night's sleep is essential for a happy and healthy life.